Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your Google Antigravity token usage so you can see your model limits, your current plan, and where to upgrade if you need more usage. So if you are using Google Antigravity and you suddenly see a limit message or the model stops working the way you expect, don't worry. This usually means you need to check your usage limits first, and the good news is you can do it from inside the settings. Step 1. Open Google Antigravity. First, open Google Antigravity on your computer. Wait for the app to fully load before clicking anything. Sometimes it takes a few seconds for your account and workspace to show correctly. Once it opens, make sure you are signed in with the right Google account. This is important because your model usage and plan are connected to your account. If you are signed in with the wrong account, the usage limits you see may not be the ones you are actually using. Step 2. Go to Settings. Now look for the Settings button. This is usually shown as a gear icon, or it may be inside your profile menu. Click on it to open the Settings area. Once you are inside Settings, take your time and look through the menu on the side. You are looking for the section that controls your AI models. This is where Antigravity shows the models available to your account. Step 3. Click on Models. Inside Settings, click on Models. This is the main place where you can check your model usage. Here, you should be able to see the models connected to your account, your usage limits, and your current plan. This is the part many people miss. They look around the workspace, the chat, or the project page, but the usage limit is actually under Settings, then Models. So again, the path is simple. Open Antigravity, go to Settings, then click Models. Step 4. Check your model usage limits. Now, once you are on the Models page, look carefully at the usage limits shown there. You may see how much access you have for each model, how close you are to the limit, or what plan your account is using. If one model has a lower limit, it may stop sooner. If another model has more usage available, you may still be able to use that one. So before thinking something is broken, always check this page first. Sometimes Antigravity is not broken at all. It is just telling you that one model has reached its usage limit. Step 5. Check your current plan. On the same Models page, you should also see your current plan. This tells you what level of access your account has. If you are on a free plan, your usage may be more limited. If you are on a paid plan, you may have more model access. But do not rush to upgrade right away. First, check how much you actually use Antigravity. If you only hit the limit once in a while, you may be fine waiting for the usage to refresh. But if you hit the limit every day, then checking the upgrade option may make sense. If you want to see more plan options, click the button labeled Upgrade. This button should show you the available plans and what extra usage or access you can get. You do not have to upgrade immediately. You can just click it to compare the options and understand what each plan gives you. So that's how you check Google Antigravity token usage. Just open Antigravity, go to Settings, click Models, check your model usage limits, check your current plan, and click the Upgrade button if you want to see more plan options. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.